Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto On-Chain. Before we jump into today's hot news, I've got an easy giveaway for you. Want to win $80? Here's how to enter. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll pick one lucky winner. Let's get those likes up, and let's dive into the video. PocketFi Airdrop coming soon. Alright, crypto lovers, big news today. The PocketFi Airdrop is coming, and it's huge. If you're into crypto, you'll want to hear this. What is PocketFi? PocketFi is a Telegram app with an innovative bot that makes trading easy and fun. Forget about confusing charts and data. PocketFi lets you trade across multiple exchanges with just a few clicks. PocketFi Token Dollar Switch. The official Dollar Switch token is launching soon. The token generation event, TGE, is set for this year, and we expect it to list on major exchanges before December 30th. Airdrop alert. Before that, PocketFi is dropping a massive airdrop to thank early users. The airdrop will happen before the end of December, so be ready. Why you should care. With Dollar Switch tokens, you'll be part of a revolutionary platform that makes trading easier for everyone. Crypto analysts predict Dollar Switch could start at 3 to 50 cents. But as more people join, the price could skyrocket in early 2025. Get ready for the airdrop. If you want to be part of this, make sure you're active on PocketFi. Don't miss out on this massive opportunity to get free crypto. If you're as excited as we are, like this video, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts on PocketFi in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.